guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I haven't posted for a while now. Oh, it's raining. And today, I am going to do my everyday makeup. We're here at the hotel room. DJ! Come in! Say hi! Hi! Yeah, I haven't posted for a while. I'm so sorry about that. I'm back! I'm back! So first, I'm going to use the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. Just going to put that all over my face because I have a very oily face. I really need this. And then next, I'm using the iWhite BB Holic Everyday BB Cream in Light. And dahil ako lang naman ang gumagamit nito, I'll just use like this. Oh my god, I need a mirror. I don't have any mirror. I can't see my face. It's too bright. Tawa ka ng tawa, TJ. Ah! Oh my god, I forgot. Before I blend this out, just going to do my eyebrows using the EB Precision Blender. Use an eyebrow brush. Just going to line my eyebrows. Oh my god. I do my eyebrows first before I blend the base. I just lightly fill it in. Kasi ayoko naman ng on fleek na on fleek. Basta magkaroon lang ako ng eyebrows, that's fine with me. It's slightly darker. Yun lang naman ang gusto ko. I'll just blend it with my fingers na lang kasi I also forgot my sponge. But whenever I do my eyebrows, I use eyebrow gel from Nichole. I usually blend this with a damp sponge, but I forgot a lot of things. So I'll just blend it in. It's okay lang naman kasi it's a BB cream. If you're wondering why I put first my eyebrow, it's because... Bakit nga ba? Para in case na I made mistake, I can clean it up with an BB eye cream. With the BB cream. For the cheeks, I'll be using the EB Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain. Kasi mas long-lasting ang gel sa akin. Kasi I'm sweaty and oily. There. I just put 3 dots. Freckles! And then, let's just blend it out again. I just tapped it in. Para magkaroon ng konting color sa face. Parang medyo harsh yung dito. Blend natin ng konti. So next for the powder, I'm using Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder. At dahil wala akong kadala-dalang tools, I'll just like that. Well, ganito rin naman ginagawa ko everyday. I just put my powder with like this. And then blend it out. And the last is for the lips, and I'm using the KJM Lip and Cheek Tint in Bittersweet Magenta. Magpas pa. Hirap talaga pag walang salamin. Diba akala mo lipstick lang yung paglagay? So yeah, that is it for today's video. It is very simple. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give this a big old thumbs up. Comment down below what are your suggestions for my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday! But I will upload it. I don't know when. Bye-bye!